Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Adaudu. My bank account is not happy with me. Like, my bank account is literally looking at me and saying that after all the financial information we've gathered, this is what you went to do. I went to the market 2 days ago to buy some fabrics for the channel, for myself, and when I was going, I told myself, I'm just going to pick one or two, I have some at home, but that did not happen. I spent way above my budget. But guys, these prints are so beautiful. This mix match Ankara thing, like when you see two different Ankaras and they just take your soul. That was what happened to me. And in this video, I'm just going to show you my ultimate Ankara haul. Okay? Okay guys, this is the first one. I'm not showing you them in chronological order like the way I bought them. No, I'm just pulling them out and showing you. So this is the first one, and I don't know, somehow when I was going to the market, I was in high spirit. But the moment I got to the market, I saw one print that I was trying to bargain, and the guy just didn't want to sell, and it got me in a bad mood. But the moment I saw this fabric, that bad mood flew out. Like, it's so funny how shopping can change your mood. So this is the one I got, and it's so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to make a gown with it. I know what I just know that all these my clothes, I'm going to make gowns with them, because if you know me, I'm not a skirt person. I'm not a skirt and blouse person. So this is one of the prints I got, and it's so beautiful. Now this is the second one I got. This one has this orange and blue combination thing going on here. You know what, when I went to buy, I just didn't want to buy my regular. If you guys know, I'm not so good with colors, and I'm always choosing black, white, those kind of color shades. So I decided to go with this one, and I love this one. It's so beautiful. It's vibrant. It has orange, blue, white and black in it. So this is the second one I got. Then the third one, this is not a color I know I normally buy. Like, this is not a color I know I normally buy, and when I saw it, I'm like, why not if not? Like, why not if not, guys? Why not if not? Look at this fabric. Is it not gorgeous? Tell me. Comment down below whether this fabric is not gorgeous. If it's not gorgeous, do a thumbs up in the comment section. If it's gorgeous, do a thumbs down. I know, if it's not gorgeous, a thumbs down. If it's gorgeous, a thumbs up. Okay, so this is the third one I got, and I love it. Okay, I love it. I know you'll be like, Ada, you said you love it for the first and the second one. This is the third one, and I love it. Okay, now the fourth one I got, another one I got. I think I'm going to lose track of the numbers, so let me just keep saying another. This is another one I got. At this point, the guy was seriously trying to convince me to get this one, and I wasn't really looking at it because I was looking for like a yellow shade, something that had yellow, something that had pink. But when the guy brought this one out, I'm like, just bring it sharp. But when I came home with it, I'm like, God, thank God I didn't leave this in the market. I love it. It's so warm. It has a lot of warm tones. So beautiful. It's gorgeous. I think this can go with whether a fair person or a dark person, and I am in between fair and dark, thank God, so it will match my skin appropriately. So this is another one that I got, and I love this one. I so love it. Now another one that I got, somehow when I got them, I'm like, Adaudu, why did you buy two prints that almost look the same? So when I saw this one, there's this tie and dye print that is indigenous to the Western people in Nigeria, like the Yoruba people. It's called adire. When I saw this one, it reminded me of adire. So that's why I even bought it, because for the longest time I've wanted to like buy an adire print, but I've not been able to buy. So when I saw this one, I'm like, oh, this looks like adire. I think I need to just open it up so you see the full print. Let me turn the back. So this is what it looks like. This is what we have here going on. So I just love like the two patterns on the fabric. I don't know if you can see it very well because I'm taking it so high. I just love the two patterns on the fabric. You can easily go for a plain and pattern design, and you can use it to mix match. It's just very beautiful, and I love it. So this is then the other one I got that looks so much like it is this one. I think let me put this one down. Is this one. They don't look exactly the same. They don't look exactly the same, but somehow in my eyes, let me know in the comment section if it's looking like that in your eyes as well. So this is another one I got, and somehow it looks a little close to this one that I bought. I don't know, it looks a little close to it. So this is it. I love it, I love it, I love it. And somehow, if you notice, I bought fabrics that had like colors close to each other because I really want to go into mix matching Ankara prints. And when I start, oh god, you guys have to tell me, Ada, calm down, be calming down. That's what you people will tell me. So this is this I actually love this one more than the other one I just showed you. I love this one. It's so beautiful, it's so gorgeous. Another one I got is this green. Oh god, you know the Nigerian independence is coming, so this will fit perfectly, you understand? So this is this very beautiful green. They have different shades of green. I think this is the Nigerian green. This is, I don't know the kind of, but there are different shades of green here, and I love it, guys. These prints are so beautiful. And I know you're going to be like, so how come you finished your money? So imagine when you're going to the market, plan to spend 10k and you end up spending 25k. That is what happened to me here. Like, I'm not saying I spent 25k, but I'm just trying to tell you what happened in this hauls. Now I'm just going to show you like the two colors I feel like I'm going to be combining with the prints. So this is the first one I'm going to be combining, and I'm going to combine it with this one because they have similar colors. Now, one tip to combining your Ankara is you look for, you know, similar colors and the print so that they can easily blend. And you know, what's the word? They can easily blend is the word. Let me not bite my tongue. Okay, so these are the colors that are very, you know, they are similar in both. I have like burnt orange here and burnt orange here, although this one is a little darker. And I have green here. I also have green here, even though the shades are not exactly the same, but they are close, so I can actually mix match these two prints together. I have white here. This one is a little darker, but it's close. So I'm definitely going to mix match these two prints together, and I can't wait to show you guys. I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with it. See, I've not even taken lunch. I don't know why I'm this high. Now the next one I'm going to mix match is this one, and of course this one. Even though like we have the blue, I think it's the blue here that is making me want to mix match these two prints. So I'm definitely going to mix match these ones together. It might be like a very soft mismatch, like it's not like a very bold one. I can have this one in the dress and use this one to highlight maybe the neck or the sleeve, or I can have this one as the main piece and this one as like the accessory. Is it the accessory piece? Something like that. Guys, I'm coming up with words in this video. So these are the two I know I'm going to mix match together, and I can't wait to see how they will look. If they will look like what I got versus what I ordered, I pray not. I pray not. So these are these two. I'm definitely going to try out something with them. Now, another one I'm going to mix match is this one, and of course this one, simply because they have something here going on. I'm going to try. If it's not going to work out, then I might leave it, but I'm going to try mix matching these two together. And I have other prints at home. I have another print at home here that I know we go with this one, so I'm also going to try to mix match this one with another fabric I have at home. And next time I go to the market, I'll really open my eyes. Normally when I go fabric shopping, I don't take my time. I just, you know, give me this one, give me this one, give me this one. But probably because I was low on energy and I wasn't in the mood, I was just calm. They were bringing up a lot and showing me. I'm like, okay, no. So one tip, when you go fabric shopping, calm down. Just calm down, relax, and shop. So guys, these are all the prints I got from the market, and I can't wait to create really beautiful looks with them. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Come back for more videos, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.